How to add thumbnail on Facebook video 2026. New update. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail on a video in Facebook using the latest 2026 update. A good thumbnail can help your video get more clicks and views, so make sure you watch this tutorial until the end. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. After that, tap on the Create Post option, just like you normally do when uploading a video. Now, select the video that you want to upload from your gallery. Once the video is selected, Facebook will start preparing the post. Before posting the video, look for the Edit or Video Options section. Here you will find an option called Thumbnail or Change Thumbnail. When you tap on it, Facebook will show you a few different choices. You can choose a thumbnail automatically suggested by Facebook, select a specific frame from your video, or upload your own custom thumbnail image. If you already created a thumbnail image, simply tap Upload Image and select it from your gallery. After selecting the thumbnail you like, tap Save or Done, then finish writing your caption and publish the video. And that's it! Your Facebook video will now display the thumbnail you selected, which can help attract more viewers. One important thing to remember, in many cases, the thumbnail option appears during the upload process, so it's best to choose it before posting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!